Hello friends, I am Rahul Gawande. Welcome to my channel. Dear friends, in this video we are going to study from question number 4. Now in previous video we studied 3 questions. Now here question number 4 is on a number line point ABC are such that distance AC 10, distance CB 8, find AB considering all possibilities. Now here are, if we draw figure, then there are 2 possibilities. First, if we draw 3 points like this, A, B, C. Now here AC is given 10 and CB means this 8. This is the first possibility. B in between. Let's find distance AB by taking this possibility, by betweenness property. Here distance AB plus distance BC is equal to total distance AC. Here support betweenness property, that is betweenness property. Now here which point is in between? Point B is in between. Now put values. AB we have to find, distance AB plus BC is given 8 is equal to AC is given 10. Now transfer 8 to right side. Distance AB is equal to 10 minus 8, and therefore first distance we got here, distance AB is equal to 2 by first possibility. Now second possibility is that A, C in between, AB are end. Now here AB we have to find, AC is given 10 and CB is means BC is 8. Now here we get AB. Distance AB is equal to, means this total is equal to addition of this distance AC plus distance CB. Here also by betweenness property. Now put values here. Distance we have to find. Distance AB is equal to AC is 10 plus CB is 18. Therefore distance AB is equal to 18. In this way, by 2 possibilities we get 2 values, 2 and 18. Question number 5. 5 points x, y, z are collinear. Points are collinear, but which point is in between, that we don't know. Such that x, y 17, y, z 8, find distance x, z. Again here are 2 possibilities. First possibility, x, y, z. This is the first possibility. Let's put values. X, y 17, y, z 8, and here x, z question mark is to find. Write addition now by betweenness property. Distance x, z is equal to, total segment is equal to distance x, y plus distance y, z. Support by betweenness property. Distance x, z is equal to, put value 17 plus y, z 8 is equal to total 25. This is the first possibility. Distance y, z, x, z is equal to 25 by first possibility. One more possibility is there, that is x, z, y. Now xy is given 17 total, yz is here 8, and we have to find xz question mark. This is second possibility. Again distance xz, total xz plus distance yz is equal to, total is xy. xz we have to find yz is 8, xy is 17. Therefore, distance xz is equal to 17 minus 8 and subtraction is 9. This is the second distance by second possibility. Question number 6. Sketch proper figure and write the answers of the following question. Proper figure means in this sequence only. Here points are collinear A, B, C. Then we have to draw segment or we have to plot points in this sequence only. A, B, C. Proper figure. AC is 11. Total is 11. BC 6.5 is here. Find length AB, here question mark. By between this property now, distance AB is plus here, addition, segment addition, distance BC, next AB plus BC is equal to total, distance AC. Support here between this property. Now put values, distance AB we have to find, BC 6.5, AC 11. Distance AB is equal to 11 minus 6.5 and therefore distance AB is equal to, now subtraction, 4.5. This is the value of distance AB. Example number 2, RST. We can solve by both the possibilities, but we will do only one possibility. We will take only one possibility. By two possibilities we can solve. RST according to this. ST is this 3.7, RS is this 2.5. and RT total question mark. Distance RT is equal to distance RS plus distance ST. This is between this property. Distance RT is equal to RS 2.5 plus ST 7.5 and addition is 5. 6.2. 6.2 is the distance between RT. By second possibility also we can do that. Example number 3 now. Points collinear are x, y, z. X, y 3 square root of 7. Xz is xy is root 7 only, xz is 3 square root of 7 and find yz. Distance xy plus distance yz, here addition of these two segments, is equal to total distance xz between this property. Now put values. Distance xy square root of 7 here plus distance yz we have to find. Xz is 3 root 7. Transfer. Distance yz is equal to 3 square root of 7 minus square root of 7 and therefore distance yz is equal to now here 3 square root of 7 minus 1 square root of 7, 2 square root of 7. This is the distance. Question number 7. Which figure is formed by 3 non-collinear points? Non-collinear. Question number 7. Which figure is formed by 3 non-collinear points? Points are non-collinear. Now here I draw 3 points like this. These are non-collinear. Now question is that which figure is formed? Now draw all 3 points with each other. Now here first line. Second, I draw like this, and third passing through these two. If you want to give name, you can. PQR. Now which figure is formed here? Triangle is formed. Therefore answer here, which figure is formed by 3? Triangle will be formed. Triangle is formed by 3 non-collinear points.